Okay, so I have opened this knot from here and I have taken this whole piece out, right? You don't have to replace this, the middle one. You will get this one, which need to replace. Put it back and then tight the knot in anti-clockwise, right? Okay, keep going. Okay, so one important thing you have to notice is here you have this connector. So connector, you should put it like in this side. You should not put it inside. So you will not have enough space. So all you have to think is put it like somewhere in this direction, and then that's it. I think putting too tight is also not good because someday you have to replace it again. So tied it by hand, no need to use anything else. This is done. Now what will I do is, this is the pipe you have. One side you connect this one. Okay, this is done. One goes here. Okay, so this is done, and this goes right, I guess here. Yeah, so connect it. Come on. Yeah, something like this, I think. Yeah. So I think that's it. And now let's connect the water and see if it's working.